Hey guys, I'm Abhash. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add pictures inside text. So first of all, let me write something here. So this is our text. Now I'm going to open the image. So this is the image that I want to add inside the text. So let's drag and drop it onto our main project. Now let's resize it by clicking Ctrl+T. So now I've adjusted the size, and of course you can change the position and size whenever you want. Now make sure that your text layer is just below your image, as you can see here. Now what you have to do is hold Alt key. Then if you move your cursor in between the layers, you will see a different icon here. That basically represents clipping mask. Clipping mask is used to apply any effect to a particular layer. And as we want to apply this image only onto the text, then we will use clipping mask here. So hold Alt key, move your cursor in between the layers and click left mouse button, and it's done. The image has been applied to the text. Now if you want, you can change the position of the image. And if you want, you can also change the position of the text, but you will see that whenever you are trying to change the position of text, the position of image is changing. So how to solve this? The problem is when you are trying to drag the text here and there, the image layer gets selected automatically because it's on top of the text layer. So if you want to reposition the text layer only, then you will have to lock the image layer. You can do that by selecting the image layer and clicking on this lock icon. Now if you try to change the position of text, it will work. So that's it guys, that's how simple it is to add images into text. All you have to do is add the image on top of the text layer and then create a clipping mask. You can reposition the text or the image, and now your ordinary text looks cool. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please give it a like. If you have any question, write that down in the comment, and for more tutorial, subscribe to the channel. My name is Abhash. I will see you next time.